somehow. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm in Nara right now, the place with all the deers, and I'm absolutely in love with this place. It's still the best memory I have from Japan. So yeah, enjoy this little vlog. They say that you'll know when you've met them somehow. I'm not sure when I'll get there or when they'll come around, but I'm searching and looking for the one, and it could be anyone. I've got my ear to the ground. Maybe someday soon I'll be over the moon. For now I'm waiting for the one in the shining armor
It's a bunny. I wanted the bee. I wanted this one. Or that one. No, I got a bunny.
Oh, you want the
Don't know if I can open it.
To keep me saner when I'm running out of willpower. The one who makes me happy, the one who cares about me. But when I wake up in the morning, my heart's empty. When I find him, he will say he's the one in the shining armor. He keeps me safe and warmer. He keeps me saner when I'm running out of willpower. The one who makes me happy, you know he dreams about me. Now when I wake up in the morning, I'm not lonely. Searching and looking for the one. Is there really anyone? And maybe someday soon I'll be over the moon. How long's it take?